everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and click the bell button. Let's get into the video. Today I am going to talk the difference between DC and DCC locomotives. First I am going to show you DC system. This is the Hornby DC controller. It has a power pack and this is a power regulator, and this switch is forward and reverse. We'll see how it works. First you have to zero the regulator, then push this button to forward direction. Now I am going to increase the power regulator. And again reverse. Forward. Now I am going to run two DC locomotives on the same track. Then reverse. Forward. Reverse. Disadvantage of DCC system is you cannot run locomotives either side. You have to run same way. Then another thing is, if you increase the volume, the most powerful motor get more power and it will run fast. Other one is little bit of slow. Then you have to run separate locomotives in separate tracks. You have to use different DC controllers. That is the disadvantage of this DC system. But this is very cheap than DCC system. Now I will show you DC controller unit made by me. From this DC controller, you can run 4 different locomotives on different tracks. Forward, reverse, forward, reverse, and you can regulate the power 0 to higher level like this. These are the connections for tracks. Now I will show you inside of DC locomotive. This is old version of DC chassis. This is a Hornby 00 scale. This one is single motor driven, two-wheel drive, we call Bobo. There are two O-rings, you can see. This is for traction, otherwise this will slip on the railway track. Now I will show you the latest version of DC chassis. This is a latest version of DC chassis, single motor driven, two flywheels and the two axles. This one all-wheel drive chassis. We call this three-wheel bogie for Coco. This is very heavy Athean chassis. Now let's talk about how the DCC works. There are so many companies making their DCC systems such as Bachmann, Hornby, kind of that. This is what I have made locally, totally working through Wi-Fi and smartphone. Let's see how it works. Inside of this box, I used Arduino and Arduino motor shield. This is Raspberry Pi 3 connected to the Arduino. This is main outline for tracks. This two for programming track. This can operate any kind of smartphone. First you have to select the locomotive. From this I'll show you how select. I have given one locomotive for 3, acquire. Then other one 35, acquire. Now this is ready for 2 locos. Now I will show you how the DCC locomotive works. This is also single motor with 2 flywheels and 2 axles, all wheel drive. This two-wheel bogie we call Bobo, and the main thing is this DCC system. This is the decoder, we call decoder. We are giving every signal to this decoder. It's given to this motor. That is how is the digital command circuit works. That's all for this video. Follow me on Instagram at Tinetra_model train. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with more videos.